revoir, my darling.
Thanks for walking me home.
Thanks for carrying me up that hill.
Until tomorrow.
I shall count the seconds. So far, I'm up to 4.
You crazy nut boy.
Crazy about you. Oh. Da-dum, ba-da-bum-bum. Bum-bum, ba-da-bum-bee. Bum-bum, ba-da-bum-boom. Ba-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. After all that hell and pain, I'm just slipping in the rain. I know when I've been there, I'm coming on fresher air.
My life has turned around. From now on, I'm a winner! Stop, you made a mistake! I'm alive! You can't do this!
Ever wonder why? Wonder where? If Michael and SpongeBob are still there? Mater. I'm sure they're fine. They probably just got drunk there. But just in case, I think we should go out and look for them in case they're in any real danger. That sounds like a great idea, Dory. Yeah. One of your most genius plans.